How to upscale videos using the Canva AI. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase the quality of any particular image file or any image using the Canva AI. So before we start, let me make it very clear that this particular feature might require you to own a Canva premium subscription or a Canva Pro. So basically the Canva Pro features allow you to do this kind of particular operation. So as here you can see that I have opened this particular presentation file, and in this presentation I have added this particular photo. So as you can see that the quality of this particular photograph is not very high, and there are some level of noises which are present in this photo. And using the Canva AI, we will attempt to increase the quality of this particular image. So let me show you how you can achieve this. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply select the photo of which you want to increase the quality. So I have selected the photo, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do is simply click on this edit button over the leftmost side in this black bar at the top. So once you have clicked the edit button, you can see this dialog box over the left hand side with a number of features in it. And under this dialog box, you will need to scroll down, and you can see that under the apps, there are a number of apps listed. So simply explore this apps option, or you can also click onto this see all. And from here, you can see this option that says image upscaler. So simply click onto this image upscaler, and here you can see that it has detected the image, and now you have the option to choose the upscale resolution. So you can choose 2x, 4x, 8x or 16x as well. So for example, if I choose 16x, it will try to create the resolution 16 times higher than the current resolution. So if I click onto 16x, and then I can click onto this upscale button, and here you can see this says upscaling your image. So let us wait for it to upscale this particular image, and once this blue bar will reach towards the complete end, you will see that the image has been successfully upscaled, and there will be a drastic change in the quality of this particular image that you see right here. So now all we need to do is patiently wait for the process to finish and let the AI do its job. And here you can see that the process has been successfully finished, and over the left hand side you can compare the changes. So this is the before photo and this is the after photo. So you can see before it used to look like this, and after the processing it will look somewhat like this. So you can notice the difference, I mean, in the clothing and the other changes in the backgrounds and the amount of noise, which has clearly reduced a lot from the original image. So in order to add this upscaled photo into the design, you need to click onto this add to design button and just wait for it to load into the canvas, and then you will be able to use it. And here you can see that the photo has been added, and let me compare these photographs side by side, and then you can decide how much of an improvement did you see into this one in comparison to this photo right here. So you can notice the difference, that there is a lot of difference between these two images in terms of sharpness and the amount of reduced noise as well. So that's how easily you can use the image upscaler in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.